Unveiling the tools of culinary precision, garnishing tweezers. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the world of culinary arts with English language learning. We'll explore the meaning and usage of garnishing tweezers. Whether you're a food enthusiast or someone curious about unique English phrases, this video is for you. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together and discover why garnishing tweezers are a must-have tool in professional kitchens and for culinary aficionados alike. Garnishing tweezers are a specialized tool used in the culinary world to add intricate details and final touches to dishes. Unlike regular tweezers, garnishing tweezers are designed with a longer length, providing chefs and culinary enthusiasts with the precision and control needed to place garnishes delicately and accurately. These tools are essential for creating visually stunning plates that appeal to the senses, showcasing the artistry in culinary presentations. In the culinary arts, presentation is nearly as crucial as taste. Garnishing tweezers allow chefs to precisely place delicate items like herbs, flowers, or small vegetables, enhancing the dish's visual appeal without disturbing its components. This section emphasizes the value of precision in food presentation, illustrating how garnishing tweezers transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Using garnishing tweezers might seem straightforward, but it requires finesse. This section provides a step-by-step guide on how to use them effectively. Grasping the garnish. Gently pick up the garnish with the tweezers, avoiding any damage. Placement. Carefully place the garnish on your dish, considering the color, texture, and composition for maximum visual impact. Adjustment. Use the tweezers to slightly adjust the garnish until it sits perfectly on the plate. We'll also share tips and tricks to master the use of garnishing tweezers, ensuring your dishes look as good as they taste. We hope this exploration into garnishing tweezers has enriched your understanding of culinary presentation and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. These tools are not just about aesthetics. They symbolize the meticulous care and passion that goes into preparing food. So, the next time you see a beautifully plated dish, remember the role of garnishing tweezers in achieving that perfection. Thank you for joining us on this deliciously detailed journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more engaging content. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.